Hi Trey, this is Michaela. I spoke with you on the phone today, and as mentioned, here's just a quick video that's going to go over your website with you, show you how to get new leads and optimize it based on Google standards, as well as discuss your overall online presence. So to get started, Google looks at three specific aspects when ranking websites along their Google platform. Number one, and probably the most important for organic movement of your site, is going to be content. And content is anywhere actual text shows up on your site. So this section here. And that's it. So not a lot of content on your site, right? Let me tell you why content is so important, as well as give you an example. So anytime you do a basic Google search for anything specific, Wikipedia always shows up as your #1 search result. Why is that? Well, it's because it has so much content. So every couple weeks, Google does a sweep of the internet, finds these content-rich sites, and naturally starts moving them up the rankings. So, from doing some competitor research in your area, as well as knowing how much Google loves content, I'm going to recommend that you have anywhere between 1,000 and 1,500 words of content on your homepage alone. This is going to allow Google to find you when they do the sweep, as well as beat out the competition who are currently ranking on the top of Google platform for content right now. With that said, on every additional service page, so what we recommend is that every service that you offer have its own page on the website, its own separate page. And in doing this, we accomplish two things. Number one, for every page that we add between 750 and 1,000 words of content. And what do we know about content? Google loves it, right? So that allows us to have more and more content on our site, which is always a good thing. And then number two, it allows us to appropriately put specific keywords that are being searched a lot in your area on your web page, allowing you to rank for those keywords and get seen by people as an option whenever those keywords are searched. So, for instance, carpet cleaning Charleston SC is a good keyword. That would need to be present on the carpet cleaning page. And so forth for all the other services that you offer. That's going to allow you to show up as a search option if it's present in your site. Next, I'm going to take you here to Ahrefs, and this just gives me a breakdown of how you're currently doing on the internet today. As you see, we're getting 0 traffic to our website because we are not ranking for any keywords, meaning anytime people in your area do a basic Google search for anything upholstery cleaning, rug cleaning, tile and grout cleaning, emergency water cleaning, carpet cleaning, you're not showing up as a result because you don't have keywords in the content on your website. So that's probably the biggest factor for this ranking 0 right now. Number two, this is UR, which is directly related to citation. And the citation, if I take you here to the Google map, your top 3 competition are going to automatically get the most business based on visibility alone, which is what every small business owner wants, right? We want our name and information to be in front of as many people as possible. So how do we get to the top of this list? That's going to be through citations, and a citation is anywhere that your business name, address, and phone number show up in an online directory. So think Yelp or Yellow Pages. The more directories we get our information added to, the higher up this list we go until we secure a top position. Next, DR is directly related to backlinks and referring domains. So, a backlink is anywhere that your business's name is linkable and clickable on another business's website. Think Angie's List or HomeAdvisor.com. Those are 2 really good examples because they have a lot of traffic coming to their site, as well as being a trusted site on Google. So, they hold a lot of influence. What's great about them hosting your backlink is it actually points all of that influence back to your site, therefore strengthening your site in the eyes of Google. When that happens, this DR number is also going to climb. So people in your area who are getting upwards of 100 people coming to their website every month and having a high solid clientele have high UR, high DR, and high organic keywords, resulting in high organic traffic to your website. Well, I hope that you found this information helpful and useful. Feel free to reach out to me if you have any questions or concerns. But that's all I have for you today, and I hope you have a wonderful rest of your evening. Bye-bye.